Welcome to our tutorial on how to view system notifications on WhatsApp on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, launch WhatsApp on your device. Ensure that the application is open and ready for you to access your notifications seamlessly. Next, look to the left side corner, just above your profile photo. This is where you will find the menu icon that grants you access to various WhatsApp settings. Now, click on Settings to delve into the customization options available to you within the app. This step is crucial for navigating through different settings and preferences. Once you are in the Settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how you receive notifications and tailor them to your preferences. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and customize your system notifications on WhatsApp while using it on your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on optimizing your messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been informative. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy messaging!